Section 4, number 1, you're going to classify the triangles by its angle and then its side. Here, if we take a look, there is a 90-degree right here. So this automatically makes this a right first. Next, we want to look at its size, okay? So the fact that all the angles are different, this will make this a scalene. So this is a right scalene triangle. Next, let's look at B. Notice this is less than 90, this is less than 90, and this is less than 90. Because they're all less than 90, we can write the word acute here. Since all the angles are different, like this is for 40, which will tell you about this side, this will tell you about this side, and this will tell you about this opposite side. The fact that all the angles are different, all the sides are going to be different as well, defaulting this to be a scalene. So this is going to be acute scalene. Next, we have C. This is bigger than 90, making this considered to be obtuse. And now we want to take a look at the angles. This is 20 and this is 20. So this 20 degrees tells you about this opposite side, and this 20 tells you about this opposite side. The fact that these two angles are congruent, their opposite sides are also congruent, making this an isosceles triangle. So this is considered to be an obtuse isosceles. There should be an extra E here. Next, this is all 60 degrees. If they're all 60 degrees, all the sides here are also the same here. So this is going to be default to be a equilateral triangle.